This was necklace number 1.
Never been my number one.
And this was necklace number 2. They are cubic zirconium, fake diamonds. So, sabi ng sister ko si Bian, hindi mo kinorekto dahil ayaw ko umamin na fake diamonds na suot mo. So, I just want, tapos na itong ano to, I had mentioned na isusuot ko, my stylist said, please don't, hindi bagay sa naman. So, nag-obey na lang ako. Pero I wanted everyone to just see it and just to put the issue to rest. Kasi I feel when the truth is on your side, it's easy to discuss anything. And yun, natakot lang ako that fear was that if you continue ignoring something because you thought it was senseless and baseless, for some people, it can be acknowledged as, ay baka totoo. Eh, tigilan na ako. 14 years old lang po ako when my mom took office. And I was reviewing it, buti na lang medyo may photographic memory ako. We were not allowed to enter Malacanang for at least 10 days because it might have been booby-trapped. There were a lot of things there. And parang the last thing I think my family would do would be to steal someone else's jewelry. And yun lang, nainis ako dito because it was putting into question my mom's memory. Because